In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Lloyds Bank mobile branches and ATMs near you step by step. Whether you're trying to locate a nearby ATM for a quick cash withdrawal or need to find a mobile branch for more comprehensive banking services, this guide will make it easy for you. Let's dive right in. Firstly, you'll want to open your web browser and go straight to the Lloyds Bank website. This is your central hub for all the tools and information you need regarding the bank's branches and services. Make sure you're on the official site, as this will ensure that the information is accurate and up to date. Now, once you're on the Lloyds Bank homepage, look at the top of the screen and you'll notice a menu icon, often represented by three horizontal lines, also known as a hamburger menu. Go ahead and click on that icon. This top menu will give you access to the various sections and services the bank offers. After clicking the menu, you'll want to scroll down through the list of options until you spot the branch finder. This is the feature we're interested in because it's specifically designed to help customers locate physical branches and ATMs based on their location. Once you're in the branch finder section, you'll notice a search bar where you can enter specific criteria to narrow down your search. There are several options you can use here. You can type in your postcode for the most direct results, use the name of your town, or choose the branches near me option. This last option is particularly convenient as it uses your device's location services to identify the closest branches or ATMs based on where you currently are. As you're navigating the search tool, you'll also see that there are filters available. These filters are incredibly helpful if you're looking for something specific, like branches with facilities for the disabled, weekend opening hours, or perhaps branches that offer specific banking services beyond your usual ATM needs. Take advantage of these filters to ensure that the results you get are perfectly tailored to meet your unique requirements. And that's it. Following these simple steps will have you locating the nearest Lloyds Bank mobile branches and ATMs in no time. I hope you found these instructions clear and helpful. If you have any comments or additional questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching and happy banking.